just getting started, family. Just killing it. So what do you think about this new position, man? You done went from stick to flux, now you're on MIG, man. Tell us about it. What you think about it?
On the MIG welding, you just got to be more concentrated. You know what I'm saying? You got to be more concentrated on your whip. You got to be more concentrated on your circular motion, your position. It's more fast paced, and that's what I like.
What he said, you already said. You already said. We're gonna watch Miss P do one. She's down here on Flux for us. Check her out, family.
When I get here, I gotta slow down.
Ooh, she's doing good. She's finna get ready to do one now, and she won't slow down to build her ear up, so we're gonna watch her. Watch her do her thing. So, Miss P has went from stick welding and MIG welding, now she's flux core welding. So, before you dive into it, tell us your opinion on the difference between the stick, the flux, and the MIG, and which one do you like? Which one do you feel comfortable in?
Okay, well, this is my first day on Flux. I'm comfortable with this so far. I like MIG because that one you can kind of design and stuff with what I'm learning. Stick was okay, but for me, I wasn't comfortable with how to handle my instrument and holding my rod.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. All of them are cool. I guess it depends what you're going to use them for and what you plan on doing. But with anything in life, just do what you love and do the best at it. Like I said, I've never done this before. Whatever level I'm at, I'm excited because it's something I've never done and I've learned a whole lot.
She's killing it, fam.
And like I said, this is day one, y'all, so don't
This
judge.
day one. This day one on this position for her, but y'all see what she's doing. So let's check out, family. Let's see how she's doing. She made it all the way down. All gone. Let's step to the next booth and see what this young gentleman is doing. He's up here working on the test. Okay. Looks like he almost ready to cap it. Got one more pass to put in there on this side, and he be ready for a cap. That was good. So tell the folks, fam, you on Flux right now. You done went from stick to flux. So in the process from stick to flux, which one are you enjoying the best so far?
Both.
You like both of them?
I like both of them. Yeah, I like both of them. They both, they different. I mean, it's similar, but it's different. It's like, if you know how to weld, you can weld. So, you know what I mean? Like, once I got it in my hand, it's like, oh, it ain't the stick. So it kind of like, oh, you know, it's something new to me. But once you get up in there and you're doing it, I'm not gonna say it's all the same, but it's all the same. You know what I mean.
But the stick prepared you for the flux.
Yeah, there we go.
There we go. Now we got him over here burning in 3 positions. Woo! I don't know if he's drawing these welds in or what. He's killing them. He's killing them over here. So in your opinion, tell us this. You done did everything. You done did flux, stick, and MIG. Out of all 3 of them, which one in your opinion was the hardest, and which one in your opinion is the easiest?
I think the stick was the most hardest, because it was just, you know what I'm saying, we had just dived into welding.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying, just learning. So I think I'm gonna say stick, and I say the easiest gotta be the MIG.
Got to be the MIG.
Gotta be the MIG.
Gotta be the MIG. What he said, family, what he said. All gone. Woo! Look at that. Everybody can't drop no good weld with the legs crossed, family. You know she's doing good.